please.
It's okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm here in Barabar, and I went to Unacademy. It's my third time here, and I'm going here because I want to understand the purpose of these caves.
Okay.
Because the academic hypothesis say it's like kind of rooms to protect from rains
Yeah.
or for devotion, because the Argentine people supposed to be ascetic people.
Aesthetic people, yeah.
Yes, I'm not interested by the voice and the sound, and that's what makes me feel that there's something that doesn't work with this hypothesis. Because when you go inside, you feel it's only for sound, it's only for frequency, it's only for singing inside. And the last time we went, we put sacred music, Indian music, into this cave, into the dome, and the feeling with the music was so impressive. It's like it's a room to listen music. It's like it's a place you put some people, they can sing, and maybe the effect could also heal the body. You know, maybe the frequency
Healing
of the
through
music
sound, yeah.
could be used, because you know this in India, you have to use this, to use the sound to cure people with the mantra and things like this. And I think this is the same, because it could be. It could. It's not is granted.
Sound
for
therapy,
sure.
like.
Yes, it could be like an hospital. You know, but I think it's not the right thing. And what I think is that we may learn a lot of things with this. So I go with my friends and we try to look, do some pictures. To think about these caves and to try to understand the meaning. That's why I'm here.
There is similar cave like Lomas Rishi nearby in Nalanda.
Yes,
also.
yeah. Lomas Rishi is this
Yeah,
one. Is this one?
Yeah,
It's the unfinished cave.
Yeah.
And I've read
These are Barabar caves.
Yeah.
Nearby, there is a district called Nalanda. You can go there. You will find similar cave there. One more cave. No. That is called Swarn Bhandar cave, like that.
Yes, but we don't know where it is. You know where it is?
Yeah, I will tell you.
Ah, hey, Jérôme.
That is an awesome place.
Tu sais où elle est la grotte qu'on cherche?
Ok, cool, prends des notes.
Ouais, you can give us.